What's happening? I tell you exactly what's happening. Welcome back to another video. Out doing some sort of little explore. Not even sure what this part is, right? There's an old colliery close to it, so I'm guessing this is like washrooms, bathhouse sort of thing. It's completely and utterly trash, but there's a couple of cool bits of graffiti. None of these taggings, one bit of graffiti, and there's one bathroom which is still sort of there, intact, which is quite alright to see. That's the main thing about it, I'll be completely honest with you. Not something I would normally film, but you know, it's giving you guys a bit of content as well. You say you're missing stuff on this, so I would just thought I'd walk you through and you can see exactly what I'm up to. It's nice to be out doing some stuff, to be honest with you, after 3 months or more of complete near enough lockdown. Feels like, you know, freedom. That's what it does. Some of these rooms are completely pitch black. You might recognise this character as well now, if he's in the right room.
What's happening? Tell you what's happening. I'm John Boss Thomas. Look at me.
But John Boss Thomas is caught on that. That's what he's doing. He's in here because I've told him that bit of graffiti is the best thing to see up in here.
Because I come round the door, I look this way, but I didn't see something.
Exactly. Exactly. So it pays to look everywhere you go. So that's the man them. That's the gal them. And let's take you through to what I think is the best bit in here. You're not going to see it too much, but I'll do it as a cover photo, right? So you can just check out it in all its fashion. But there we go. I think this is literally the only part that's not smashed up. I love this old tile. I know they like subway style tile, they call it. Those old sinks, incredible. Those can be repurposed, lovely. It's just got some nice shots up in here. That old fan as well. So I do apologise. I know the GoPro is not very good in the dark. Nonetheless, these are pretty awesome, right? It's a shame someone's just smashed the toilets up, stolen some of the toilets even. The paint up on that. Awesome. You know, holes in the wall. The tile is still here. The urinal as well. Love that. So that's literally a mini explore. There we are, we're back. You can see me. It's not long, it's not massive, it's not extravagant, it's not the best place I've done, but it's a bit of an explore. Reminds the roots way back in the day, and it's doing a little something rather than being stuck in the house, you know. So it's a pleasure to take you along for the ride. There she is, look. That's my exploring wife, that is. And yeah, on to the next, so stay tuned. I'll see you all soon. And if you haven't, Viking Views, link in the description, check it out.